Hello, boys and girls. This is Mr. Morton speaking, and I would like to welcome you all to third grade. Now, today we are going to be focusing on ThinkCentral, which is our math resource. It is where we go for all of our math needs, and we're going to use it to make you better at math. But before we use it, we have to know exactly how to get to it. So I'm starting from Google. Now, there may be different ways to use it and if to get there, and if you have a different way to get there, that is totally fine. You can use it, but this is the way that I would do it, okay? First, when I come to Google, I'm going to type in Humphreys West Elementary School. I already had it typed in, so there it is. Next, I'm going to click on Humphreys West Elementary School. Afterwards, I'm going to scroll, and right here it says, click here for Osprey Remote Learning. That is exactly what we're doing. I'm going to click on there. Next thing you know, if you look right here, the fifth link on the top row is ThinkCentral, also known as Go Math. I'm going to click there. You might not get this message. I get this message when I'm at home. But I'm going to click on the top link. I'm going to use a student login so you can see exactly what it's like when you log in. So I'm going to type in my student login that I am using today at student. Oh, I'm sorry. I was on the wrong part. So now I'm on username, right? I'm going to type in my student email. At student.dodea.edu. I'm going to come here and I'm going to type in my password, which starts with password, the word password. All right, this should work. I log in. Boom, here we are. This is ThinkCentral. Okay. The three sections that you see in front of you are all that you actually need in order to be successful in ThinkCentral. We have our things to do list, we have our library, and we have our scores. The things to do list will be things that will be sent to you from your teacher. I'd highly advise you to try your best to complete all items that are in the things to do list. We currently have no ThinkCentral assignment, so it will show as follows. However, if there was an assignment, you would see the assignment name right here, the teacher, the subject, and the due date. You would like to keep it at all assignments so that you will always know exactly what you have done and what you haven't done. It's great for tracking. I want you to note that your three sections are right here now, so you don't have to go back in order to get to them. Next, I'm going to go to my scores. Here is where you will find your scores, okay? The percentage will be right here, which will show you exactly how much you scored out of 100, okay? It'll let you know if it is finished, and if it is not finished, then I would highly recommend that you finish it. And last but not least, my personal favorite, the library. Now, in your library, you have tons of different tools, okay? You have things such as the Interactive Student Edition, the Go Math Animated Math Model, okay? You have math concept readers, right? And so these things are all different tools that you may use that are going to help better you in math, okay? For one, if I click on the Interactive Student Edition, this is something that we all like to use as teachers in order to help reinforce concepts. So if you look here, we have every single chapter, and you have this rabbit here, right? That's going to help you go through what we teach in class. Okay, we use this quite often, and it's a very good tool, so I want you to get really familiar with this, okay? This is the library. Feel free to use this as much as possible, okay? This is a fairly simple resource to navigate and use. So I hope that you find much success, okay? We try to make it as simple as possible And by doing that, you guys should be successful. If you have any questions, please make sure you refer them to your teacher. Thank you very much for listening to my video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.